This video will show you how to remove the stock front bumper on all 2014 through 2021 Toyota Tundras.
First thing we're going to do is, now that we have our vehicle up, now we're using a lift. If you're at home, you want to jack your vehicle up, make sure you use jack stands to properly secure your vehicle. We're going to start by removing this push pin, these two 10 millimeters and one 13 millimeter back here. Once we get those off, then we'll be able to lower our splash guard. So we're going to get started. Now I'm going to take my clip removal tool and remove that push clip. Now that we have that out, I'm going to take my 10 millimeter and remove these two bolts here on my impact gun. So now that we have our two 10 millimeters out, we have our push clip out, we have 3 more bolts, one here, and one here. We have one that's a little different size because ours has been apart a bunch of times, but the rest of these up top here in the front are 12 millimeter. So we're going to remove them with our gun and our 12 millimeter. Now I'm just going to hold this up and remove the last one. I came on this side so I could take a look at it. You're going to have to just lift up and slide it over to your left, and then it should come down. It's kind of got hooks in it that hold it in. And now that we have this removed, we'll go on to our sides and start removing our splash guards. Okay, next what we're going to do is remove our splash guard. We're going to remove these 4 10 millimeters. We have a plastic clip back there and 2 12s and another 10 underneath. Well, first we'll concentrate on these. So I'm going to take my ratchet and 10 millimeter and remove these 4 bolts. Now we have those done, we'll get back there and remove that clip. Now I'm going to take my clip removal tool, get inside here, and pop our plastic clip out. Next, we'll go under the bottom and remove our 2 12 millimeters and the 10 millimeter, holding our splash guard on. Now we're going to remove our 2 10 millimeters underneath here, followed by our 2 12 millimeters. I'm going to take my ratchet, my 10 millimeter socket, now that we have our 2 10 millimeters, I'm going to go into removing our 2 12 millimeters, taking my 12 millimeter socket and ratchet. Now that I have those two removed, we should be able to remove our shield and our wheel well, and it should just come off pretty much just like that. Now you're going to want to repeat this same procedure on the other side. So now we're going to remove our 2 electrical connections for our fog lights. There's one here, there's a clip here we're going to have to remove with our clip tool, and there's one up here that we're going to have to disconnect. So I'm going to start by unplugging our fog light and squeeze the tab, pull that off. I'm going to take my clip removal tool and pull that clip out. And then I'm going to go up in here and disconnect this by pushing the tab in and pulling out our harness. And now that we have that disconnected, we're going to move on to removing our tow hooks. Now we're going to disconnect our toe tabs by removing these 2 17 millimeter bolts right here. I'm going to take my 17 millimeter on my gun and remove these 2 bolts. Just going to want to repeat that same procedure on the other side. Next, we're going to loosen the 4 bolts, 3 out here and 1 in here for our bumper brackets. gonna take my 14 millimeter ratcheting wrench, get in here and loosen these up. I'm going to remove them all but one and just run one all the way out, but keep threads on it so that the bumper does not fall. And that's pretty good right there. Now we'll get the one on the inside. Now you're going to want to repeat the same procedure on the other side. So now we got everything unhooked. We're going to remove our bumper. I got Joe giving me a hand because this baby's pretty heavy. So we're going to grab it and take it off. Just like that.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Tundra, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.